wildlife photographer. Any animal, anywhere. If you need a photograph, who you gonna call? Flash! Flash is about to have some lunch.
Excuse me.
When suddenly...
Ooh. Oh boy, I've got mail.
Flash, your mission is to photograph how tarantula spiders defend themselves from danger.
Oh boy, looks like I gotta find me some spiders. I'm okay.
Here's the jungle. And here's the rubbish bin. But where's Flash?
Hi! I'm hiding in here to protect myself from the tarantula's defenses. Look, there it is now. Tarantulas are big spiders. They can get as big as your head. How would you like to pick one up in your hands and have it run all over your body? Wouldn't that be cool? Oh, where's it going? Look, up and over. Woohoo! Go, spider, go! All the way over the back and off again. How cool was that? And even though they're big, some hungry animals like to eat tarantulas. But do you know how they stay safe? Check this out. Tarantulas have hairs all over their bodies. These hairs are really small, but they're spiky and sharp. So if an animal bothers them, they flick some of them into the air, and anything nearby gets a nose full of itchy tarantula hairs. Yeah, chew! Oh, that's worse than having a nose full of pepper. Oh, it's a good thing I'm protected by my bin. Ah, time for a photo. Mission accomplished. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, the tarantulas are behind glass. I don't need my rubbish bin after all. Oh well, time to get back to the office. It's the ZooMoo Animal Ninja Special.
Let's make it! Ah, there's the Ninja Gorilla. Hi there! I wonder what animal he's making today. Oh, what you got? Ooh. Ah, it's a jar. Oh, peanut butter. Now what are you doing? Well, that's one way to get peanut butter onto a cracker. Oh, ooh, but wait, there's more. Okay, those are pretzels. Huh? Now what have you done? Your pretzels! Oh, wait. Look out. Oh, wow! Oh, wait, there's more. Another cracker. Okay, 2 crackers and 8 pretzels. It must be a... okay, sorry. I'll wait. Right, now what have you got there? 2 raisins. What? Oh, you want me to pick a hand? Okay, all right. Right hand. No, not that one. Okay, then. Left hand. Oh, not there either. Where have they gone? Oh, that sounds like ninja magic. Oh, there they are. What's that? The raisins are eyes. Eyes. Okay. So it's finished, yeah? Can you guess what animal it is? I think those 8 legs are a clue. It's a spider. A peanut butter and crackers spider. Oh, that's fantastic. Thanks, Gorilla. I can't wait to see what you make next time. Bye.
The cheetah is the fastest thing on 4 legs. It's fascinating. The giant anteater eats 30,000 ants a day. It's a fact. The chameleon's tongue is twice the length of its body. It's a fascinating fact. Oh, yes. Well, I never. That is absolutely amazing. Oh, hello, friends. Salutations and felicitations. I have an absolutely unbelievable fact for you today. I have discovered an animal with the most amazing weapon. It squirts blood. Yes, blood. It squirts blood out of its eyes. Oh, you think I'm making it up? Oh, no. Squirting blood out of your eyes comes in very handy, particularly when you live here in the deserts of America. There are lots of big, hungry animals, like coyotes. They're always looking for something to eat, and that little lizard would make a tasty snack. Now, if I saw a hungry animal like a coyote, you know what I'd do? I'd run, of course. Yes. Run as fast as you can. Go, little lizard. Oh. My goodness, he is fast. But what if your legs are so short you can't run away? Like this little chap. See him there? He's a horned lizard. And look, here comes a big, hungry dog. lizard can't run away, so he breaks out his secret weapon. Ready? Aim! Fire! It's squirting blood out its eyes. I've never seen anything like it. An animal that squirts blood out his eyes. Whew, extraordinary. Isn't that incredible? The little lizard squirts blood as high as your head. Absolutely astonishing. Imagine getting a face full of blood. Yuck. No wonder it's running away. Well done, horned lizard. My brave and clever friend deserves one of my poems. Yes. Oh, wondrous lizard, any day you can stand and scare away dogs 100 times your size by squirting blood out of your eyes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Splendid, yes. The horned lizard, my friends. Fascinating.
It's a horned lizard.
What's for dinner? A chunk of wood? I don't need wood. What's going on here? Hey, can you hear that? There's something in there. Wait a minute. I bet this branch has come from outside in the forest. See that tree? It's made of wood. Lots of wood. But it's full of tiny tunnels. And inside the tunnel are lots of little grubs that love eating the wood. Sounds like this log is full of grubs too. Ha! Hey, what are you thinking in there? I don't eat grubs. Sheesh! Oh, wait a minute. I know someone who does, though. She lives deep in the forest of Madagascar. And she only comes out at night. There, way up there. She's called an Aye-Aye. Don't you just love that name? Aye-Aye, Captain. Well, the Aye-Aye is a groovy grub catcher. Yeah, check out her long fingers and big ears. She's like the world's most amazing drummer. She taps on the wood with her special long finger and listens with her great big ears. When she taps above a grub's tiny tunnel, it sounds hollow. Now all she has to do is dig it out. That's where her teeth come in. Oh, wowzers, they are sharp. They're like chisels that builders use to carve wood. Then she hooks out the grub with her finger. Yeah, dinner is soy. That gives me an idea. Waiter, come here. I'm gonna send my friend I some nice juicy grubs. Now, if she can find them using drumsticks, then so can I. Did you get them? Yeah, it's drumsticks. There's a box of juicy grubs coming your way, I. Bon appetit. All right, buddy, let's get grub hunting. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Bon appetit. It's the ZooMoo Animal Ninja Special!
Oh boy! Owl is gonna love this! I'm gonna send it to him now.
How fascinating. I did not know that. Oh, I have a message. Oh my, it's from Flash. He's sending me another fascinating animal file. Oh, I wonder what it'll be today. Can you help me guess? Let's have a listen. What a strange noise. Do you know what it is? Good. Here come the pictures. That will help. Yes. Let's see. That looks like a tree. And is that a finger? A very long finger. Good. The download's complete. Let's see what it is. Oh, I see. The finger is tapping on the tree. Well, that explains the noise.
Now I know what animal Flash sent to me. It's an eye-eye. The eye-eye uses its long finger to tap on the tree bark and listen back for the hollow spaces where the grubs live. Yes. Oh, look at that. Dinner is served. Yum, yum. Ooh. Ah, yes, the eye-eye. Ooh. Oh, my, oh, my. What a fascinating animal to add to my database. Thanks, Flash, and thanks to you for helping. Ooh. Dear Flash, thank you very much for the lovely new addition to my animal database.
Let's take this baseline for a walk. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, you looking around in disbelief. Let me sing about myself while I sit on a leaf. I am a master of espionage because of my long sticky tongue and camouflage. I'll tell you for free that I am a lizard, but I can disappear just like a wizard. And if I feel like an insect snack, I just whip out my tongue and pull the bug back.
Whips his tongue out and pulls the bug back. That's what he wants for a tasty snack. Got a sticky tongue and that's a fact. Whips out his tongue and pulls the bugs back.
It looks magic, but I'm just real smart. I'm an always changing work of art. And due to my blending in technique, you'll never ever beat me at hide and seek.
Whips his tongue out and pulls the bugs back. That's what he wants for a tasty snack. Got a sticky tongue and that's a fact. Whips out his tongue and pulls the bugs back.
I'm a master of disguise everywhere I go. You can't see me, but you can hear my flow. Watch me fade away in the blink of an eye. You'll never find me, I'm a heck of a spy. In the tree or on the ground, this chameleon just won't be found. You might say I'm one in a million. Blink and you'll miss me, I'm a chameleon.
Whips his tongue out and pulls the bug back. That's what he wants for a tasty snack. Got a sticky tongue and that's a fact. Whips out his tongue and pulls the bugs back.
I'm a chameleon. Oh, where did I go? Oh, now I'm back. Oh, where did I go? Where did I go?
Whips his tongue out and pulls the bug back. That's what he wants for a tasty snack. Got a sticky tongue and that's a fact. Whips out his tongue and pulls the bugs back.
I'm over here. I'm over here.
I'm hungry.
Whoa! Oh, no, come on.
Lollipops. Soda. Flies.
It's the ZooMoo Animal Ninja Special!
Oh, yeah! It's time to play dance and freeze! When the music stops... Freeze! Come on! Get up and dance with the animals of Madagascar!
We're going to Madagascar!
Won't you give me that? Check it out. Won't you give me that beat? Check it out. Won't you give me that beat? Check it out. Won't you give me that beat? Check it out. Won't you give me that? Check it out. Won't you give me that beat? Check it out. Won't you give me that beat?
This is the best party ever!
Yay! And freeze!
Oh, goodness me! I never expected this dancing thing to be so much fun. What? Oh. Wait, oh, I forgot to stop. Oh. How embarrassing. Well, I think I got away with that, eh, Lima? Ha-ha!
Dancing with animals is awesome! See you next time! Woohoo!
Where's Flash? Oh, that is fascinating. What? Ah, good. That must be Flash. Oh, I wonder where he is today. Let's have a look. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Ah, Flash is in Brazil. Goodness gracious me. I wonder what he's doing there. Hola, Flash. Flash? Flash, are you there?
Hola, Al.
Oh, I say, Flash, it looks very dark there.
That's because it's nighttime here. Check it out. A big storm has just gone by.
Flash, that was lightning.
I know. Isn't it amazing? There are all kinds of flashing lights around here, Al. You should come and see.
Oh, no. Lightning? It's far too dangerous.
Not the lightning, Al. There are other lights out here. See them?
Well, I never. What are those tiny green twinkly lights?
They're beetles.
Beetles?
Headlight beetles.
Headlight beetles? Are you telling me that they wear lights on their heads?
Oh, no. The beetles make light inside their heads.
My word, Flash. That is fascinating.
Uh-huh. And the hungrier the beetles, the brighter they shine.
Oh, I see. So the light is like a lure.
Yeah, when the bug lands to see where the light's coming from, the greedy green grubs grab them and gobble them up. It's brilliant.
Well, it's certainly rather ingenious.
Come and see for yourself, Al.
Well, okay. Hold on a second.
Al? Al, what are you doing?
Ready? Just let me turn off the lights and... Ta-da!
Whoa, nice headlight, Al.
That's right. I'm not walking around in the dark without taking some serious safety precautions. Right, enough dilly-dallying. Let's go! Ha!
Oh, Al.
Oh, bother. I didn't see that down there in the dark. I wonder if Flash has got a spare flashlight. I hope so. Let's dance! He's a skunk. The amazing striped skunk. He's tip-top and hip-hop. Come on, put your bottom in the air like a skunk. This dance says, danger, back off. Because if you get too close, you're gonna get sprayed. And it stinks. So you put your bottom up in the air and do the skunk. Yeah.
Let's go! Wanna fly like a bird? Or swim like a fish? Then come for a ride in my adventure machine! Woohoo! Yeehaw! Oh, hi there! Hold on tight! Woohoo!
Oh boy! Today, we're going to try some rock climbing.
Ready? Let's go! Uh-oh!
Nuts and bolts! That rock face is way too slippery.
I need help from some of my friends. Woohoo! Check this out! Do you know who this is? He's a tar. He lives way up in high mountains. Whoa! That cliff is really high. And you wouldn't believe what he does. He runs and jumps on these crumbly cliffs. Whoa! Boy, one slip and he'd fall a long way down. Luckily, the tar has some amazing climbing equipment. His feet. He's got hooves, just like me. But his hooves have spongy soles, which means they're great at gripping onto rocks. And he has a hard toenail to jam into tiny cracks. So the tar climbs just about anywhere. Tar feet are awesome. But I think I can build him better.
Oh yeah! Let's go mountain climbing.
Wahoo!
Check out my new big sharp climbing hooves.
Yeehaw! It's working! Whee! Thanks, Tar! Whee!